In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose the perfect font pair in Canva. If you want your design to look polished, clear and visually balanced, choosing the right font pairing makes a huge difference. Good font combinations can help your content feel more professional, more intentional, and much easier to read. The great news is that Canva makes this process simple, even if you do not have a background in design. To get started, open your Canva design and click on the text you want to style. This is important because Canva needs to know which text element you want to apply changes to. If your design includes a title, subtitle, or paragraph text, think about which area you want to improve first before moving on. Once your text is selected, head over to the left-hand panel and click on Styles. This section gives you access to different visual presets that can quickly change the overall look of your design. It is a great place to explore when you want inspiration without manually testing every font one by one. Inside the Styles section, go to Font Combinations. Here, Canva will show you a variety of pre-made font pairings. These combinations are designed to work well together, which saves time and removes a lot of the guesswork. As you browse, pay attention to how each pairing feels. Some will look elegant and modern, while others may feel playful, bold, or minimal. Choose a combination that matches the style of your design. Try to think about the message you want your design to communicate. If you are creating something formal, a clean and refined pairing may work best. If your design is more creative or fun, you can choose something with a little more personality. The goal is to make sure the fonts support the overall mood of your content. After selecting a font combination, you can customize it further if needed. Adjust the font size, color, and spacing to better fit your layout. This step helps fine-tune the design, so everything feels balanced and easy to read. Even a great font pairing may need small adjustments depending on how much text you have and how your page is arranged. As a final tip, keep your font pairing simple. In most cases, using one font for headings and one font for body text works really well. This keeps your design clean and consistent without feeling cluttered. Simple choices often create the strongest results. That's how to choose the perfect font pair in Canva and make your design look more cohesive and professional.